My name is Peter Mulrine. I was born in the Regional Hospital in Galway on 29th of June 1944. 6 days after being born, I was sent to the mother and baby home in Tuam. Well, what would I think of nuns that weren't loving, and when they got rid of 796 babies and put them into non-consecrated grounds and septic tank and walk away, cover it up and walk away, hoping this would go away. How can they sleep in their bed tonight with ease when they have that in their conscience? But I also blame the state for not checking the nuns out. They still act the same way today. They will not come out and say it happened in Tuam, or they never apologised. It's hard to grasp it, very, very hard. And it's awfully degrading.